Malaysia is advocating for a fresh search effort to locate Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, the country's transport minister announced on Sunday ahead of the impending 10th anniversary of the aircraft's disappearance. The mystery surrounding flight MH370, a Boeing 777 with 227 passengers and 12 crew members on board, persists since it vanished while en route from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing on March 8, 2014. Initially, Malaysian investigators refrained from dismissing the possibility of deliberate diversion of the aircraft's course. Debris, including some confirmed and others suspected to be from the aircraft, has been discovered along the African coast and on the islands in the Indian Ocean. Malaysian Transport Minister Anthony Loke revealed that the US seabed exploration company Ocean Infinity had been approached to discuss its latest search proposal following two unsuccessful prior attempts. Loke emphasized the Malaysian government's unwavering commitment to continue the search for MH370, asserting that the quest must persist. In 2018, Malaysia enlisted the services of Ocean Infinity to explore the southern Indian Ocean, offering a potential payment of up to $70 million contingent upon locating the aircraft. This decision followed the conclusion of an unsuccessful 2-year underwater search jointly conducted by Malaysia, China and Australia, which concluded in January 2017, costing $130.46 million. Malaysian Transport Minister Anthony Loke stated that Malaysia would engage in discussions with Australia regarding collaboration in recommencing the search, pending approval of Ocean Infinity's proposal by Malaysia's cabinet. VPR Nathan, whose wife Annie Daisy was a passenger on the flight, expressed support for Ocean Infinity's proposal, particularly its no find, no fee option. The flight carried over 150 Chinese passengers and their relatives have demanded compensation from various entities including Malaysia Airlines, Boeing, Rolls-Royce and the Allianz Insurance Group, among others.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.